Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 8th class maths, new chapter, direct and inverse proportion. So the definition of direct proportion. Direct proportion means if x and y are two quantities such that x by y is constant, means when you take the ratio of x and y, if you get the same value for all the different values of x and y, then x is said to be in direct proportion with y. So it is denoted by x. This is the symbol for proportional to y. This means what? X by y is constant, k, where k is constant. This is about direct proportion. This means what, children? If one value is increasing, the other also increases. It can be written like this. One value, if one value is increasing, then second value also increases. This is the meaning of direct proportion. If one value is increasing, second value also increases. This is direct proportion. It is the symbol and x by y is constant. As an example, see, in an eco club, the students from 6th to 10th are required to plant 2 saplings each. So see here children, I have written class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and echo members, number of echo members. All the students will not be the echo members, only few are selected from each class. So 6th class 5, 7th class 7, 8th class 10, 9th class 12, 10th class 15 members. And each student is supposed to plant 2 saplings. That means the number of saplings planted by 6th class, 5 twos are 10, 7th class, 7 twos are 14, 10th class, 8th class, 10 twos are 20, 9th class 12, 12 twos are 24, 10th class 15, 15 twos are 30 saplings. Now here, number of echo members are considered as x and the number of saplings considered as y. Here, whatever we say x and y, these values, one is x, one is y. Now we need to find out whether they are in direct proportion or not. So for this, let us see the values of x by y. X by y for 6th class. How much x is 5? By 10, that is 1 by 2. And for 7th class, 7 by 14, it is also 1 by 2. For 8th class, 10 by 20, that is also 1 by 2. And 9th class, 12 by 24, this is also 1 by 2. 10th class, 15 by 30, this is also 1 by 2. So, what are we getting here? X by y is equal to 1 by 2. That means it is constant. Therefore, we will say x is directly proportional to y. So even though you have a knowledge of if one value is increasing, other also should increase, you should concentrate on this also, whether the ratios are constant. Sometimes it appears as if they are increasing. As the x value is increasing, y value also increases. But when you go for these ratios, you don't get the same ratio. If you don't get the same ratio, they are not in direct proportion. If they get the same ratio, they are in direct proportion. This is a small introduction, children. Please note it down. Now do this sums, children. Write 3 situations from your daily life in which you see direct proportion. So 3 situations, anything you can write. I have written 3. You can write as you wish. The first one is cost of book and number of such books. So suppose you are purchasing a book, say a maths textbook. and in your school you want 25 maths textbooks. So its cost, if the number of books are increasing, then the cost is also increased. X is directly proportional to Y, and definitely the ratio will be constant. And marks secured and a number of learning hours. So of course, if you increase your learning hours, you can score more marks. For many of the students, it will be suitable. Very few may learn in very limited time, but many of the students, if they concentrate more and learn for many hours, their marks, especially it will be in ranks that the people will compete for, like engineering exams, at examinations, NEET examinations, and then this UPSC examinations and all. In that, they wanted to score more marks means what? Good rank. They wanted a good rank means they have to work a lot for it. So how much you are working, that much benefit the student will get. Next, cost of a cloth per meter and the length of the cloth purchased. So suppose a cloth is giving, it has got a rate, some rupees per meter. So you want 10 meters, you have to multiply by it. So how much length you want, accordingly the rate will increase. So these are the three examples that I have given. It's your wish, children. You can write anything. Second one, let us consider different squares of sides 2, 3, 4 and 5 centimeters and find the areas of the squares and fill the table. So these are the squares, children. This is 2 centimeters square. We know that in graph each one block is considered as 1 centimeter. This is 3 centimeters square. This is 4 centimeters square, and this is 5 centimeters square. So area of this square is side into side, 2 into 2, 4. Here 3 3s are 9 square centimeters. Here 5 5s are 25 square centimeters. 4 4s are 16 square centimeters are the areas. So here I have written, you see, side 2 3 4 5 areas. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. So based upon this, you have certain questions. The question is, what do you observe? Do you find any change in the area of the square with change in its side? What is the change you have and see? As there is increase in the side measure, there is increase in the area also. That's what I have written. There is an increase in the area as there is increase in the side. Now another question here. Find the ratio of the area of the square to the length of the side. Is the ratio same? So I have taken, see, first side 2 centimeters means area 4 by 2, 2. Side 3 centimeters, area 9 by 3, 3. Side 4 centimeters, area 16 by 4, 4. Side 5 centimeters, area 25 by 5, by 5, that is 5. So you have got ratios as 2 3 4 5. That means 2 is to 1, 3 is to 1, 4 is to 1, 5 is to 1. So say whether the ratio is ratio same, ratios are not same. So what you can say, ratios are not same means they are not directly proportional to each other. Please note it down, children. This is second problem. Next, do this sums, children. The following rectangles of equal breadth on a graph paper. See, these are all having equal breadth. This is 1 centimeter. Breadth is 1 centimeter. Okay, find the area of each rectangle and fill in the table. Rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rectangles are there, and their length, see here, children, this is 2 centimeters. This is 1, 2, 3 centimeters. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeters. Those are they have given. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Length. Now area. How will you find area? Length into breadth. But what is breadth? Breadth is always 1. So 2 into 1, 2. And 3 into 1, 3, 4 into 1, 4, 5 into 1, 5, 6 into 1, 6. These all are areas of these 6 rectangles, 5 rectangles in terms of square centimeters. Now the question is area directly proportional to the length? That means we should concentrate on area and length. That is area by length, x by y. So area is x, length is considered as y. Area is how much? Area is 2 by length is 2. 2 by 2, 1. Second one, area is 3, length is 3, 3 by 3, 1. Third rectangle, area is 4, length is 4, 4 by 4, 1. Fourth rectangle, area is 5, length is 5, 5 by 5, 1. Fifth rectangle, area is 6, length is 6, 6 by 6, 1. So in all these cases, you are getting x by y as constant. That means area is directly proportional to the length. Why? Because x by y is constant. Next, take a graph, make same rectangles of same length and different widths. Different width. Here, same width, different length. Here, same length, different widths. Find the area of each. What can you conclude about the breadth and area? So the same way I have taken 5 rectangles. See children here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rectangles. For all I have kept the lengths as the same 2 centimeters only. Here length, breadth or width is 1 centimeter here, 3 centimeters here, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters. So this is what I have written here. Rectangles, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Breadth 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. And area, it is length into breadth. Length is 2, 2 into 1, 2, and 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 5, 10, 2 into 6, 12 square centimeters. These all are the areas I have written here also. You see, 12 centimeters. These are the areas. Okay. Now, the last one, see children, I am lifting it. Okay. They are not same. Okay. Now what happens here? The question is, what can you conclude about breadth and area? So let us see breadth by area. That is x by y. The first one, breadth. Breadth is 1 centimeter by area 2, 1 by 2. And second one, 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. And third one, 4 by 8, 1 by 2. Fourth one, 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. Fifth one, 6 by 12, that is 1 by 2. That means x by y is constant. That means what? X is directly proportional to y and breadth is directly proportional to area. So these are the do this sums, children. Please copy this. You have the last one, little bit I have to show you like this. These are the areas. So please note it down, children. I hope now it is clear. Write down all. Now example 1, children. If the cost of 65 tea packets of same size is rupees 2600, what is the cost of 75 such packets? So what is that they have given? Number of tea packets. Number of tea packets, consider it as x, and cost, consider it as y. So 65 tea packets are costing 2600 rupees, 2600. Now the question is cost of 75 tea packs. 75 will cost y. So we know that since the tea packet's size is the same as the number of tea packets increase, the cost also increases. That means what? X is directly proportional to Y. This implies X by Y will give you a constant value. Therefore, X65 by 2600 is equal to 75 by Y. Means 65Y is equal to 75 into 2600. So, Y is equal to 75 into 2600 by 65. So, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are 25, 5 twos are 10, 0, and 13, uh, 13 fours are 52. So, for 40. So, you are getting 75 into 40. How much in 0? 4 fives are 20, 4 sevens are 28 to 30. So 3000. Y is equal to 3000. Y, what is Y? Cost of 75 tea packets is equal to rupees 3000. This is the answer, children. So once again, there are, if the cost of 65 packets of same size is 2600. See, all the tea packets are of same size. So their cost is 2600. What is the cost of 75 such packets? So 65 cost. See, number of tea packets I have taken as X and their cost I have taken as Y. 65 tea packets are costing 2600. 75 tea packets cost, it is Y, so I wrote Y. So that as the number of tea packets increase, the cost also increases. That means X is directly proportional to Y, or X by Y is constant. That means X by Y, this is X, this is Y. 65 by 2600 is equal to 75 by Y. So cross multiplication I have done, and on calculation I have got the cost as 3000. Please note it down, children. Now example 2. Following are the car parking charges near a railway station. Number of hours they have given as X and parking charges as Y. Now up to 4 hours the charges are 60 rupees. 8 hours it is 100 rupees. 12 hours 140 rupees. 24 hours 180 rupees. Check if the parking charges and parking hours are directly proportional. That means X by Y is constant or not. You need to find out. So let us go for it. Let us see what is X by Y. X by Y. So for 4 hours. What is charge 4 hours? X by 60. X is how much? X is 4. 4 by 60. 4 by 60, 4 ones are 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 1 by 15 you are getting. And 8 hours. 8 hours, what are you getting? Again, 8 by 100. 8 by 100. This is 8 ones are 8. It's 8 by 100 hours. 8 by 100 means 4 twos are 4. 25s are you are getting. So it is 2 by 25. And the next one, 12 hours. 12 hours, it is 12 by 140. 12 by 140 means 4 threes are 4 fours are 4 fives are 4 threes are 12, 4 fives are 20. That is 3 by 35 you are getting. And the next one, 24 hours. 24 hours, 24 by 180. 24 by 180, this is 4 6 are, 4 fours are, 4 fives are. Okay. This is 6 by 45. Okay, so these all are, if you see, are you getting them as same 6 by 45? You cannot, okay, you can even simplify, I think. 3 twos are, 3 ones are, 3 fives are. So you can even do it as a 2 by 15. Now in this case, if you see x by y here, 1 by 15, 2 by 25, 3 by 35, again 2 by 15. So x by y is not equal to a constant value. Therefore, x is not directly proportional to y. They are not directly proportional. This is the answer, children. Once again, see, number of hours are parking charges they have given. Up to 4 hours 60 rupees, 8 hours 100 rupees, 12 hours 140 rupees, 24 hours 180 rupees. Check if the parking charges and parking hours are in direct proportion. So if they are in direct proportion, x by y should be constant. So we have taken x by y for 4 hours is 1 by 15. For 8 hours it is 2 by 25. For 12 hours 3 by 35. 24 hours 2 by 15. Nothing is common here. They are not common. So x by y is not constant. Therefore, x is not directly proportional to y. X in the sense what? Parking charges are not directly proportional to parking hours. Please note it down. Now example 3, a pole of 8 meters height, HEIGHT, 8 meters height casts a 10 meters long shadow. Find the height of a tree that casts 40 meters long shadow under similar conditions. So the clause here is under similar conditions. Conditions are same means the shadows also will have same proportion. So what we can take? We can take about height. Height in x. Height is considered as x and length of shadow is y. Now, a pole of 8 meters height is giving a shadow of 10 meters. Now, a tree is giving 40 meters shadow. What is its height? That is x meters. Now, the conditions are similar. Since the conditions are similar, x is proportional to y. If the conditions are not similar, it is not possible because the length of the shadow changes along with the direction of the sun. So same condition means that is same condition, so the proportionality will be maintained. X is proportional to y, that this implies x by y is constant. That means 8 by 10 is equal to x by 40. That means 10x is equal to 8 into 40. So what is x? 8 into 40 by 10. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 32. So what is the height? Therefore, height of the tree is equal to 32 meters. This is the answer, children. Once again, you see, a pole of 8 meters height casts 10 meters shadow. 8 meters height, 10 meters shadow it is giving. Find the height of the tree that casts 40 meters shadow under similar conditions. So this clause is very important. Because the conditions are similar, the value of x is directly proportional to y. If x is directly proportional to y, x by y is constant. So 8 by 10 is equal to x by 40. On calculation, I have got x value as 32. X is nothing but height of the tree. So height of the tree is 32 meters. Please note it down. Example 4, children. If a pipe can fill a tank of capacity 50 liters in 5 hours, then how long will it take to fill a tank of capacity 75 liters? This is the question. So, capacity means volume. So, you have got volume which is considered as x and hours. Hours is considered as y. So a pipe can fill 50 liters capacity in 5 hours. Then how long will it take to fill a tank of 75 liters? How many? That is y hours. Here x is directly proportional to y. Why? Because the capacity and hours. As the capacity increases, hours also will increase. So x is directly proportional to y. This implies x by y is constant. That means 50 by 5 is equal to 75 by y. That is 50y is equal to 75 into 5. Y is equal to 75 into 5 by 50. 5 ones are 5 tens are. So we are getting y value. Y is equal to 75 by 10. 75 by 10 means 7.5 hours. 7.5 hours means what, children? 0.5 means half. 7.5 hours. So it takes 7.5 hours to fill a tank of of capacity 75 liters. This will be the answer. So children, the problem is a pipe can fill a tank of capacity. Capacity here it is volume. Volume is 50 liters in 5 hours. 50 liters, it takes 5 hours to fill. How long will it take to fill a tank of 75 liters? 75 liters, how many hours? Definitely these two are directly proportional because if volume increases, hours also increases. X is directly proportional to y. That means x by y is k. So 50 by 5 is equal to 75 by y. So on calculation, 7.5 hours I have got. That is the time taken by the pipe to fill the tank. Note it down, children. Example 5, children. If the cost of 20 meters of cloth is 1600, then what will be the cost of 24.5 meters cloth? So length of cloth. Length of cloth, let us take it as x, and cost, let us take it as y. 20 meters cloth is costing rupees 1600. Then what will be the cost of 24.5 meters? It is y. Now x is directly proportional to y. Why? As the length increases, the cost also will increases. This implies x by y is equal to constant. That means 20 by 1600 is equal to 24.5 by y. That means 20y is equal to 24.5 into 1600. So what is y? 24.5 into 1600 by 20. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. 2 8s are 0. So it is 24.5 into 80. So 0, 8 5s are 40, 8 4s are 32 plus 4, 36, 8 2s are 16, 3, 19. So there is a decimal. Let me keep this. This will be cancelled. So therefore y value means cost of 24.5 meters cloth is equal to rupees 1960. This is the answer, children. So let us go for it, children. The problem is the cost of 20 meters cloth is 1600. Then what will be the cost of 24.5 meters cloth? So length of the cloth is taken as x meters. Cost is y rupees. So 20 meters is costing 1600. 24.5 meters y rupees. We don't know, so we'll call it as y. So x is directly proportional to y. Naturally, when cloth length is increased, the cost also will increase. That is, x by y will give you a constant. That means 20 by 1600 will be equal to 24 by y. So cross multiplication, 20y is equal to 24.5 into 1600. Y is equal to 24.5 into 1600 by 20. On calculation, I have got its values 1960. So cost of 24.5 meters cloth is 1960. Please note it down. With this, I am going to conclude my part today. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.